Sleep Analyzer is a sleep sensor that is placed under the mattress and that allow you to monitor your sleep, but also know if you have sleep apnea, all that without having anything to wear. People who should use this are people who suspect that they have sleep apnea, people who have snoring issues, but also athletes, bad sleepers, and more generally people who want to take care of their health through their sleep, because we all know that we spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping. It's the best solution to track your sleep because you have nothing to wear. It's a sensor that is placed under the mattress, so you don't feel anything when you sleep. And it's all automatic. You just have to go to bed, sleep, and every morning when you wake up, you get a complete report about your night and your sleep apnea. Sleep Analyzer has several benefits compared to a doctor's follow-up. First of all, about the cost. We know that in several countries, it can be very costly to have a sleep exam. And secondly, it would be about the time. You can also wait several months before having a sleep apnea diagnosis. So both on the time and the cost, Sleep Analyzer will help you to know quicker about your sleep apnea condition to take action about it. Sleep Analyzer is very unique because it measures a wide variety of health parameters during your sleep. For example, each time your heart beats, it propels a mechanical wave through the mattress and we'll be able to sense that in order to know about your heart activity. And not only the heart activity, we measure also the breathing patterns, the motion, your snoring, and your snorting. And all these parameters will be used by our powerful algorithms that we've trained upon hundreds of hours of clinical data in order to bring you at home an accurate sleep tracking. This is revolutionary in terms of health because sleep apnea is a public health issue. It's both a highly prevalent disease, but also widely underdiagnosed. We estimate that 80% of apneic don't know about it. So Sleep Analyzer will allow to detect sleep apnea on a large scale and in the comfort of your home.